I have sold some units and I got some revenue. These are the some products for my business for the Amazon. Somebody asking you how much average you are making per month. Like you have 10 different products and you are selling them on different prices. So what is the average? So how you gonna do the average? The average is coming out. You can do simply use the average formula, average, and you can sum your sale price. See, the average is coming 82.29. This is the average price. You know, you have 49, 129, 35, 99. You have different prices for different products. But the average price for your business and for your units is 82.29. But there's a difference I'm gonna share with you. Like if you find out the average based on actual sales, that average gonna be different, and that's the big cause and the big variance in your financial statements, which can change your entire financial statement. Because the average you have find on the basis of a sale price, that is gonna be different, that is 82, but the average based on actual activity.